Hello, I'm Rosa. This course is Piano Reharmonization Kit 1, Level 2, and we're going to study color chords. We're going to reharmonize the song Away in a Manger with color chords. What are color chords? In Level 1, we study the major chords. We study the C chord, the F chord, and the G chord, and they're mainly triad chords with 3 tones. In Level 2, we're going to add color tones to these triad vanilla chords. For example, we're going to add the 6th tone and the 7th tone. And when we add the 6th tone and the 7th tone, these chords become 4-tone chords. And we're also going to study the chord extension, which will give us 5 tones. So the C major 9 will have C, E, G, B, D. There will be 5 tones. Or the C69 will be C, E, G, A, D. Alright, you're going to add extra color tones to the C chord, F chord, and the G chord. We're going to learn 9 extra color chords. There will be 4 C color chords, 4 F color chords, and G9. Now for the 4-tone chord, you can see that there are 4 notes. This is the root position, first inversion, second inversion, third inversion, and root position of the C major 7. It's very difficult to play all these inversions without practicing. I'm going to show you a trick. You're going to use the 4T6 hand shape to get those 4 notes, 4-tone notes into your playing. You will learn how to do this with the right hand and also the left hand, and you will be able to do beautiful waterfall run with these color chords. You're going to learn how to do the rocking 10th to get the 10th color tone on your left hand. And you will rock on the 5th tone with the 3rd finger between the 10th tone and the 5th tone. You're going to learn the Ballad 9 and how to use the thumb to start with the 9th tone. And you will move the 9th and the 10th tone around to get a new age sound. You're going to learn the nostalgic ballad, rocking on the 5th tone between the 10th tone and the 9th tone. And you're going to learn how to do the crossover ballad in the span of 2 octaves using the 3rd finger. And with the ascending arm, you're going to use 2 octaves to play this. And notice my hand is in the air because you're going to move your whole hand from 1 octave to the next octave. You do this in the ballad hop also. And you're going to learn to repeat the 5th tone and the 3rd tone when you go up an octave. The quartal harmony is a mystery to a lot of people. I'm going to show you some neat tricks so that you know how to form these quartals easily. And they're 4 tones apart from 1 finger to the next finger. Let's dive in and look at some of the video clips to see what's in the course.
Dancing water run. Listen to this. Can you hear the water dancing? People think you're a genius.